Oh shit, there he is too. It's a big fish too. Holy cow. Wanna go around me? Coming back. In the net. Nice. Whew. Awesome. It's on that new Violent Strike too. Threw that about 40 times. Caught a fish on it. Whew. I'm pumped right now. My adrenaline rush is going pretty good.
Can't imagine it is. Really hammered that Violent Strike, didn't she?
Oh yeah.
Figure 8 too. That was cool. Nice work, man. Nice job on a figure 8. That was cool.
Yeah, that was cool.
This time you set the hook into the fish.
Yeah, and I played her backwards like you're supposed to the whole time. Even when she came around the side, I made sure I played her into the fish instead of pulling. And after that last, see that I had last, that paid off.
How many of them you handled in your life? A couple 100,000?
Yeah, lots. I know better than to go crazy and stick your hand in there too.
That's a good fish, bud. It's a real good fish. Alright, let's get her back in the boat.
You got it recorded?
Yeah.
Back in the water she goes.
Oops, got away from you there.
She said I'm out.
She alright? Yep, she's gone.